Connect the battery to the charger. Awaken and fully charge the battery. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the internet. Connect the mobile device to the remote controller. Turn on the remote controller and the drone. Click Next in the pop-up window in DJI GO4. Name your aircraft. Set up your joystick mode. The default mode is Mode 2. Customize your remote controller's buttons for convenient flying. Here is an overview of the remote controller's LCD screen interface. Choose your measurement units. It is advised to turn on beginner mode for your first flight. Confirm your activation account and phone number. Click Activate. Now your drone is ready to go. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.